Welcome to Marseille, France, where history comes alive within the walls of Eglise Saint Ferréol les Augustins. Join us on a captivating journey as we uncover the intriguing story of this remarkable church. Built upon centuries of devotion and spiritual significance, Eglise Saint Ferréol les Augustins stands as a testament to Marseille's enduring faith. Originally a serene monastery, this sacred place has witnessed the ebb and flow of time, preserving the memories of generations past. Step inside and be transported to a realm where tranquility and grandeur intertwine. The hallowed halls echo with the whispers of ancient prayers and the footsteps of countless faithful souls. Magnificent stained glass windows cast vibrant hues upon the worn stone floors, evoking a sense of awe and reverence. As we gaze upon the meticulously carved altar, a masterpiece of artistry, we are reminded of the devotion and skill that went into its creation. Each delicate detail tells a story, a testament to the rich tapestry of religious heritage that Marseille holds dear. Exploring the nooks and crannies of Eglise Saint Ferréol les Augustins reveals hidden treasures. From the delicate sculptures adorning the arches to the solemn chapels nestled in quiet corners, every inch of this sanctuary offers a glimpse into the past. Each piece of artwork, each architectural flourish, carries the weight of history, inviting us to immerse ourselves in its narrative. But it is not only the physical beauty that captivates us within these walls. Eglise Saint Ferréol les Augustins exudes a sense of serenity and peace, inviting visitors to reflect and find solace in the midst of life's chaos. It is a sanctuary that has weathered storms, both literal and metaphorical, standing tall as a symbol of hope and resilience. As we bid farewell to this sacred space, we carry with us a newfound appreciation for the interplay between history, faith, and art. Eglise Saint Ferréol les Augustins reminds us of the enduring power of spiritual devotion, and the remarkable ability of architecture to transcend time. Join us on this documentary exploration of Eglise Saint Ferréol les Augustins, where the past whispers its secrets, and the present is enriched by its presence. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and embark on a journey of knowledge, entertainment, and inspiration. Join our community of curious minds as we explore a wide range of topics, from captivating stories and fascinating facts to practical tips and creative insights. With new videos uploaded regularly, subscribing ensures you never miss out on the latest content. So hit that subscribe button now and join us in discovering the world through the power of video.